Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Zach with Money Pit RC. Today's video, we got our hands on the new Injora Jeep body, I would say. So this is a direct fit for the TRX4M, Bronco, and Defender RTRs. So this comes with everything you need to get this body swapped directly right over to your stock rig or your modified rig, or whatever have it. So in this video, we're gonna unbox it. We're gonna show you everything in the box. We're gonna put it all together and we're gonna install it onto our rig. We're gonna split this up into two parts because I do want to do a couple modifications to my TRX4M. So this is gonna be part one. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss part two. All right, we're gonna go everything that comes in the box. Instruction manual, you're gonna need that. It looks like some door handles, some lenses for the lights, and some screws. These look like the inside of the lenses for like the tail lights. It comes with plastic where the clipless body system works, the inserts. This is the front and rear bumper, and it comes with like a bull bar and some other odds and ends. We'll figure that out. Front grille. And then here is the body itself. I think it looks really good. First impressions, it's very wide. It is a very wide body. But other than that, windows. At least the windows are tinted. They're clear, but they're tinted. So the body is amazing. This is the second Injora body that I have. I have the IR40, and that thing is great, quality fitment, everything. So right now we're gonna get everything installed onto the body, and then we're gonna get the Bronco that I have, and we're gonna swap the body over, see how hard it is. All right, so reading through the instructions, it's pretty straightforward. It's not really like a step-by-step, but it shows you where everything goes. So we're just going to follow this and see if we can do it. So here are the bumpers. Nice, just ABS plastic. Molded plastic, you can tell. But I do like how it comes with bumpers. And this one does come with a bull bar. And the clipless body system. It's very cool that they included all of that in this body. Just so you have no hassle, you just swap the parts over and you're done. So we're going to get our snippers, flush cuts. Alright, and these are the door handles. Flying all over the place. Great. I already lost them. When you're cutting these, just make sure you don't let them fly. And these are the wipers and the mirrors. So that's all we had to cut out, and all the hardware is Phillips. Okay, got the windows in. So now we're going to work on the lights. So this goes like this. Oh, I might put it, okay. Put them in here first. So we're gonna put them in there first. Oh, so these go in. It took a little bit to get that in, but I figured that you put the lights in the grill first, and then you put the grill on the body, and then you'll put the silver inserts this way. And then kind of push everything together. So that's done. You want to put your chrome in the mirrors. Pretty cool. Snaps in to place. So these little black circles go into the body first, where the mirrors go. And then your mirrors snap on. Ooh. Fancy. They're supposed to just slide in, but my mirror comes right out. So on the inside I might put a little bit of glue where it goes through the body, just to hold it a little better. Oh, okay. After 5 minutes of figuring it out, they go in. There's a little hole in the bottom of there, hole in the bottom of here. They go in like that. And then they lock into the channel. Ugh. Okay, just like that. So that's what it's going to look like. So this one, hole on the bottom, and then it slides in like that, and then there's a channel and a channel. Now the lenses will go over top and snap into the chrome pieces. Okay, perfect. I think the taillights were the hardest part to figure out, and I don't like them because they're all clear. So we're gonna have to paint those. But, got the lights on. So really, all we have to do is wipers, which we can figure that out. So now we got door handles. Thankfully, they gave us 5. Because I did drop one. At least they were nice enough to give us an extra one. Get them all in first try, and this one fits me. There we go. Okay. Other than bumpers, I think the body itself is done. I really don't like the clear tail lights, but we can address that in the future. They even ambered out the side markers. I don't know why they didn't do it for the rear, like for the brake lights, but anywho, here is the body all done. So now we're gonna get the Bronco, take the bumpers off, and put the bumpers on. All right, here is the Bronco. Bronco body. This is modified pretty well. Probably have to get rid of the front lights that I have on it, but that's okay. I'll worry about that then. But as of right now, well, I might be able to. Snap them in somewhere in the front. No, I can't. Okay. So for right now, we're just gonna cut the front bumper wires, just because we don't need them. So first off, we're gonna take the front bumper off. So you can run it with or without the bull bar. All it has just 2 screws on the bottom, which I think we're gonna run it with, just because I do like the look of them. So we're gonna screw that on now. All right, after like 30 minutes of messing around, they come in a kit for a reason. So I found out that they are different, so you do have to swap out the bumper and the bumper bracket, just because the ones that come in the kit are skinnier and it allows the body to snap into this channel. So if you are doing it, if it comes in the kit, just throw it on, save yourself the headache. So I got the rear on, I'm gonna put the front on now, and then we should be able just to clip the body on and have no issues. All right, so here is the final results with the bumper on. Like I said, you do need to swap over those brackets. They come in the kit for a reason. Don't be like me, spend 30 minutes trying to figure it out why the body wouldn't latch. My next thing, I do like the clipless system, but it just doesn't work as perfect as I would hope. So like right there, it's very hard to get it actually latched. I have to come underneath and like push on the tabs for them to actually clip in. I don't know if that's just a me thing, or if I have these all out of whack, or if I just need to adjust something. But other than that issue, I'm very happy on the body itself. I think it looks really good. Very good details. Thing I don't like is the tail lights, but we can address those tail lights at a different date. Roof, very plain. It needs a roof rack or something. So this is a basket I printed for a TRX4M. I think something along those lines. It just needs something on the roof. I don't know what. Maybe, like I said, a basket, or maybe I'll make some roof rails and put like a kayak or something on top. Just something. It needs something on the roof. It's too plain. But other than that, I think it looks pretty good. Alright, so that's going to be part 1 on the new, I guess you can call it Jeep build. I don't know if they have Jeep in the name, but you can clearly see what it looks like. So that's going to be part 1 of this build. I do want to do mainly cosmetics, so let me know what you guys want to see down below. Should we try to patina the body at all? I don't want to do a lot, but I do want to do something. Definitely a nice little addition if you just bought like a Bronco or Defender and you just want to change the body right away. It's a great option. It's another great option. Injura's always come out with these bodies. They have the other Jeep, they have this one, they have the IR40. It's really nice that they're coming out with all these options just in case you don't like these stock bodies, which these are good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. You know I enjoy reading through all your feedback. Catch you guys on the next video.